Yan. So, hello everyone. I trust you all have a fantastic day tonight, no? So, thank you for opting to join me and Andre of our marketing team this Tuesday evening. So, before that, I'd like to express my gratitude to those who accompanied me during the live navigation of the first MetroSec Go Up I conducted last week. So, once again, let me introduce myself. I am Joanna Blanca Ramos, your Customer Support Associate of First Metro Securities based in Mindanao. So we are joined as well by Andre from our Digital Channel Management. So before we start, let us just get a sense of our audience for tonight, no? Since we will be doing a live navigation of our platform. So displayed on your screen is a brief poll asking if you already have an account with First Metro Securities. So can you answer the following question? So you can simply chat your question or answer in the webinar or doon sa ating question and answer. So we have here Ma'am Lily. So she has an account with us, Sir Francis. And also I've seen some familiar names na din, no? So we have here a client of First Metrosec here in Mindanao. So we have Sir Ronald then who do not have an account with us. So to those who have an account with us, so this webinar aims to elevate your expertise with the First Metrosec platform. And to those who are not yet, or who do not have an account yet, so our objective is to demonstrate the value that First Metro Securities can bring to your investing journey. So once you have an account with First Metro Securities, you can easily manage all your investments in stocks, REITs, ETFs, mutual funds, UITF, and bonds. So ganun lang kasimple. Pag may account ka na with First Metro Securities, so you can have all those details in your account. So First Metro Securities has won several awards, including the best online trading platform. So let me just quickly introduce to you our three platforms. So we have here the First MetroSec Go. So it is redesigned to give you a convenient, fast, and advanced trading experience. So you can just simply download the application sa Google Play or the App Store. So just search for the First MetroSec Go. So we have here the First MetroSec Pro. It is the most advanced online stock trading platform we have. So if you are an advanced trader, the First MetroSec Pro platform is perfect for you. And we have here the First MetroSec My platform, which is accessible to all our clients and our focus for tonight. So for us to start, here is the website of the First MetroSec platform. So you just key in my.firstmetrosec.com.ph. So to officially start my navigation, let me just share my screen. Okay. Can I get a yes if you already see the website? Yeah, so that's good. So let us now start with the navigation and allow me to use a spotlight. Okay, so this is the website. Actually, simple lang siya. No? All you have to do is to input your username and the password. So if you see here, we have the forgot username and forgot password. So this is a 24/7 help desk if in case you forgot those credentials. So click nyo lang yung forgot username and the forgot password. So to start, just input your credentials and click login. So ito na yung ating homepage ng First MetroSec My Platform. So you will be first greeted with the announcement tab. So accidentally, I click it. So usually sa announcement tab, dun yung makikita yung announcements with regards your account. If it is due for updating na, if we have initial public offering, or we have few reminders. Actually, ma-access din natin siya later. So let us just have a quick glance or review lang kung ano yung nasa ating homepage. So sa homepage, you will see here different tabs. So we have 7. So ito yung home, quotes, trade, portfolio, research, chart, and news. So we will explore this one by one later. And these tabs will show us kung ano yung mga specific data na we want to retrieve. Then we also have the account and security, which is found sa ating upper right side ng platform. So for easy reference, let me just, i-full screen natin yung ating website. So start muna tayo sa ating account. If you click the profile tab, so you will have here access to your portfolio. Under this test mic, ito yung ating account code. So the account code is, mag-start siya with OTA. And then beside, you will see your name. So I will just insert some customer-related information. If you fund your account, make sure na match lang siya sa inyong account code. Kasi if ever na say may na-add na letters or dash or if ever may na-delete kayo na detail, so we will experience delay lang in crediting your funds. So make sure lang na match lang yung account number. Next, we have the password settings. So in this area, you have the option to update your password. You will see here kung ano din yung ating password requirement. Below, you have the alert settings. So you have the option to receive alerts in terms of the morning and closing prices. So once you're done, you can just exit. Next, we have here the account. So ito yung nasa upper right pa din na part ng ating platform. So if you click this one, you will have a quick glance of your portfolio. So you will see here your total holdings, additional na siya or sum na siya of your stocks, funds, and cash. So since demo account lang ito siya, so zero yung nandito sa ating data. So you also have your deposits. So basically sa deposits, you will see here ways to fund your account. So actually, the most common, we have the bills payment. That is by doing funding via the application lang. So next, you can also do funding over the counter sa ating Metro Bank branches. Next, withdrawals. So should you want to request for withdrawal, so you can do it via the website, either sa ating My or Pro platform. Next, we have here the corporate actions. So sa corporate actions, you will see here kung ano yung mga latest when it comes to the IPO, FOO or the follow-on offering. And then if we also have tender offer, so dito nyo siya makikita. You just click here, the view under the action. So we have here yung Cebu Landmasters. Actually, nag-end na din siya. And lastly, we have here the reports. So sa reports, you will see here access to your statements, official receipts, and then if you have some credit or debit memo, and also if you subscribe sa bonds, so dito nyo rin siya makikita yung inyong confirmation of sale. So let us just go back sa ating platform. Yan. So to go back sa ating home screen, you just click on stocks. So again, ito na yung dashboard ng ating first Metrosec My. So the first thing is check natin yung nasa left side. So we have here the market and watch list. So sa market, it will tell you what happened to the market. So we have here PSEI. So it closed at 6,848 points. You will see below its price difference in terms of points and percentage. Sa baba naman, you will see here the value trades. So you will see here this representation lang, no? It's easy for you to identify. So this one, the green, these are your stocks that went up. The red one tells you the number of stocks that went down. The yellow, those unchanged. And ito namang last number is, ito yung ating total number of stocks. Below, you have here the local and foreign transactions. So 53% of the trades came from the locals and the rest from the foreign. So you will also see here yung buy and sell transactions of our local and foreign. So below, you will also see the performance of our indices. So we have here the finance, industrial, and the rest of the indices. And the number beside is ito yung kanilang performance in terms of percentage. So the red one meaning bumaba siya compared to the previous price. The green one, ito naman yung may increase. So below you will see here these two circles. So click niyo lang. So sa second page you will see the top 5. So we have here top 5 of our top gainers, worst losers, and the most active. So if you click any of these stocks, you will be redirected to another tab. So para siyang shortcut. So let's just go back here sa ating home. Yeah, so you will see here the number. Ito yung kanyang closing price, and the number beside is the percentage difference. So again, green meaning may increase. So the red one, ito yung may decline in terms of their performance. Next, we have the watch list. So if you're familiar, this is very helpful, ano? So you can save up to 5 watch lists and 30 stocks per watch list. So the watch list basically, if you are monitoring a specific category ng mga stocks, say REITs, so you can add it sa watch list nyo. So we have here, yan. Ito, watch list number 2, ito yung ating REITs. So parang quick glance lang siya of the performance of your watch list. So to add a watch list, simply click edit and then input the stock code. So say you wanna add JFC. So after you i-type yung stock code, click on this plus sign and you will see our JFC added sa number 5. And then you click done. So to delete, click edit, click this red logo and then click done. So the watch list is also integratable. So when I say integratable, there are few edits dito sa ating First Metrosec na pwede nyo i-integrate kung ano yung watch list ninyo. We will explore this one later. So next, we have here sa middle part, a quick glance of your portfolio. So you have here, if you have stocks, so you will see here the code, yung kanilang price action, the price difference, and then other details that are relevant if you want to check your portfolio. So below, we have here the announcements, research reports, and the PSE market news. So if you click any of this, you will be redirected to another tab. Next, we have here sa right side our quick trade. So sa quick trade, say you are exploring the website and then you've decided to either buy or sell a specific stock. So you can do a quick trade dito sa part ng website. So you can just simply input the stock and other details. So we will explore this one as well. Aside from that, we also have here the portfolio. So another thing you will see sa home screen, we have here the customization. So if you click this one, it will hide or show your quick trade and portfolio. We also have the trade calculator. So this is where you calculate your profits. So to do that, input nyo lang yung com rate, which is 0.0025. So say you wanna buy JFC, tapos you wanna compute your profit. So say input nyo lang JFC, you will buy it usually, board lot ng JFC is 10. So say 100 stocks of JFC. Tapos for the price, say price niya 200. Sample lang ito ha. So ito yung kanyang buy calculator. Tapos pag mabibenta naman kayo, pwede na rin input dito. So the price is siguro ibenta niyo siya at the price of 205. So you will see here sa calculation, ito yung profit and ito yung gain ninyo. So this is just a quick parang calculation lang kung ano yung inyong profit. Okay? So basically that is our home tab. So next, we will explore quotes. So under quotes, these are the data we can retrieve. So the first thing we have the multiple bid and ask. So the multiple bid and ask, it will show you the top 5 bid and ask of a specific stock. So say we have here Ayala. So ito yung top 5 na bid and ask ni Ayala. And then going back to our watch list, you will see here sa taas the numbers. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, parang page lang ito siya. So page 2, page 3, and so on. If you click on this plus icon, So you can customize your view. So again, if you want to check on the multiple bid and ask of your watch list number 2, so you just click watch list number 2 and then compare natin. So these are REITs, and then so we have the data of your watch list number 2 na. Also, you can, we have this predefined. So we have here the PSEI and the rest of our indices. Yan. Next, we have the bid and ask. So sa bid and ask, you will see the top lang na bid and ask. If dito sa multiple bid and ask, top 5. So sa bid and ask, yung top lang niya na value. So ito yung bid and ask volume and value. You will also see here the last price, the difference, percentage, volume, and value. So this one, you can sort this. Say you wanna check on a stock that has the highest changes in terms of price. So click nyo lang yung column na last. If you wanna check on a stock that has the highest value, so click nyo lang yung value column. Next, under market, we have the stock quotation. So sa stock quotation, you will see here the opening, highest, lowest price of that stock, as well as its previous and last price. And other details na itong difference, percentage change, and total value, volume, and number of trades. You can also sort this one by simply clicking on the column. So say you want to check on a stock that has the highest number of trades. So click nyo lang ito and it will show you BDO. So basically, yun yung ating market tab. Next, we have the stock tab. So under stock tab, you will see a more specific detail of a specific stock. So say, to search for a stock, you can just click on this and type nyo lang agad, say JFC. So click enter. So we have here the top 10. Actually, you can also choose top 5, no? So you have here the top 10 bid and ask volume or transactions of JFC. So you will also see here sa baba yung ating time, price, volume, value, and the brokers involved. Sa baba, you will see the disclosures and the company news. So beside, you have here market price, market closing price of JFC. So ito yung 268. The number beside tells you its price difference. So it went up by 8 points compared to its previous price. And also, ito yung kaniyang percentage equivalent. So next, we have here sa baba more details about your stock. Next, we have here the 52-week high and low. The option to fill or change, no? If you want to check it's 9 months ba, 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month na high and low. So here you will see that in the last 52 weeks, ito yung highest and lowest price ni JFC. So we have here 204, yung kanyang lowest price, and then the highest price is 276.40. So this one, the dot here, tells you kung ano yung closing price ni JFC. So sa baba, you will see here the top 5 volume. So basically, summary lang ito ng ating top 5 na bid and ask. So you will be able to identify yung market if the traders of JFC are either buyers or sellers. Okay, so another review lang din, the ask side tells you if ever nabibili ka ng stock. So dito ka titingin sa ask. If ever magbebenta ka, dito ka titingin sa bid. Next, we have the time and sales. So it will tell you lang more details about the time and sales transaction of JFC. So ito yung kaniyang, sa pinakababa, you will see kung ano yung pinaka-starting price niya. So we have here 261.80 up to its last transaction before the market close. So next, we have the volume review. In the volume review tab, you will see here yung volume weighted average price ni JFC and also the number of trades. So let me just refresh this one. If ever hindi siya mag-load, babalikan natin siya later. Pero basically, yung ating volume weighted average, it tells you kung ano yung average price or possible price na magko-close yung isang stock. Kasi dito niyo makikita kung saang price ba tinitrade yung isang stock. So most likely, ang volume weighted average ni JFC is itong 268. Wait, I think nag-load yun siya. Anyway, so yeah, we have here the buyers and sellers. So sa buyers and sellers, you will see here yung mga brokers na bumili at nagbenta ng stock na yun. You will see here the volume, the value, the average, and its percentage weight. So, yan. Di lang siya naglo-load. So, balikan lang natin siya later. So, we have here the broker tab. Under broker tab, you will see here all the transactions of the listed brokers in the Philippines. So, nandito yung kanyang total value, and then yung kanyang net value and other details. And then let us just check on a specific stock. So say FMS. If you click on this, you will be automatically redirected sa broker activity, which tells you kung ano yung top 4 na buying and selling stocks under that broker. So sa lahat ng may account sa First Metro Securities, ang top na buy transaction or buy stock is URC. So it will tell you its average, volume, and other details. Sa baba naman, ito yung mga types. Also, we have here sa side, yung total value, buying, and selling. So this tab, if in case the data of the brokers is kumbaga part of your trading journey or mga trading decision, so you can check it here. You can also filter. So then if you want to check on all the transactions or yung mga without process. So next we have the index. So going back sa ating market tab, you will see only, ito sa next page, yung next circle, the top 5. Top 5 ng ating gainers, losers, and most active. So dito sa index tab, you will see more details of that specific index. So sa index report, we have here graphic representation lang ng performance ng ating index, ng finance, industrial, holdings, property, and the rest. Sa baba, you will see here the previous and last price of those indices, yung kanyang price difference, and yung percentage change. Sa baba, you will see here sa movers, the top 10 na top gainers and worst losers natin. And then we have top gainers, worst losers, and the most active traded stocks. Next, we have the market volume, value, and other details. If you click on the index mover, so you will see here, first, this is being categorized. So pwede nyo siya i-filter, depende na if you want to retrieve the details of your index under finance. So say we have here finance, ito yung last price nila, yung market capitalization, weight, the points difference, and other details. So should you want an updated data, so click nyo lang yung refresh. And let's go back. Sana okay na yung volume review. Wala pa din. Okay. So next, we have here stats. So under stats, you will see here more details of your top gainers, worst losers, most active, and top traded. So you have the option to check the top gainers based on day transaction, per hour transaction, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes, yung kanyang average. Actually, same lang yung sa top gainers, worst losers, most active, and top traded. So you will see here the data, no previous price nila, last price, price difference, percentage change, value and volume, and the number of trades. So you can also export this one for your convenience. If you want to check on this data, compare it from the previous price or depende na sa inyo, by simply clicking yung ating export icon, which is Excel, ito siya. So you can build a watch list as well based on this data. Say gusto nyo mag-create ng watch list based on the top gainer, so you can simply click build watch list. So basically, yun yung ating quotes tab. So sa quotes tab, you will see data of your stocks, index, brokers, and the market. So next, after you've gathered some data, the next thing you will do is you want to do some research. So we have here the research tab. So First Metro Securities also has, we have our research team who provide you data that is necessary or will help sa inyong mga trading investment. So the first thing we have here, the company. So company specific siya. So we have here JFC. So you will see yung market price ni JFC. So this is the 268 and its price difference and percentage change. So the first thing you will see the summary. So under summary, you will see market capitalization with its total shares outstanding and yung kanyang value. Next, we have here valuation. So ito yung ating trailing 12 months na earnings per share, PE ratio, dividend, and the dividend yield. We have here naman the first Metrosec report. So any report regarding that company, so dito niyo siya makikita. So next, we have here other details, foreign available shares, float shares, yung ating price to book ratio naman, price to sales, and the rest. So beside, you will see here the consensus target. So the consensus target, these are from our different analysts. So it tells you kung ano yung possible target price nung isang stock. So we have here for Jollibee, yung consensus rating niya is 5 because the analysts think that Jollibee can go as high as 321.24. Tapos yung kanyang current trading price is 268. So if you just see the difference, so kaya siya buy rating kasi malaki yung potential ninyo na profit since yung kanyang highest price can be as 321.24 pesos. So ito siya, there are clients who base their buy transactions based on the consensus rating. So you will also see here profile ng company and also sa baba yung kanilang website. Next, you will see here stats. So under stats, you will see the price performance and the volume activity of that stock. So that is the research tab under company. So ito naman, we have here the first Metrosec research. So we have different type of research here. So you can search, you can read all of these reports. So let us start with the daily report. So simply click on this. You will be redirected na to another tab. So let me just enable the sorry. Let me just, okay, this one. So this is your daily report. So the daily report, it is being published daily. So what you will see sa daily report, so we have here equity summary and outlook, news flow, commentary, some calendars of the corporates, and eco calendar. So sa first page, ito yung equities. So sa equities, it will tell you kung ano yung possible mangyari sa ating PSEI. You can just read on that. Sa baba, we have here the stock call for the day and some price to action or call to action. You can simply click news flow if you wanna change na to the next page. So sa news flow, you will see here international news, some local news, and some corporate news. So to go back, click nyo lang yung eto. Next, we have the commentary. So you can also scroll nyo lang pababa. So sa commentary, you will see here, this one. Ito pala yung more details of your local and some corporate news. So we have here the corporate calendar and the economic calendar. And last page, ito yung ating disclosure. So next, let us go back. Yan. So, okay. So for the next report, we have here the weekly report. So the weekly report, this is our weekly report. It is being published every Monday. So the market blueprint, so it tells you what happened to the PSEI last week and what could possibly happen sa ating PSEI this week. So meron din ditong representation of our top 5 gainers and losers. Next page, we have here picks for the week. So we have these companies and some insights from our research team dito naman sa kabilang side. So sa next page, we have here the technical analysis of the PSEI. So they will provide an automatic chart na of the PSEI. And also sa baba, you see here the support and resistance, the analysis, and the trading plan. So lastly, yung disclosure. So next, the next report, we have here the consensus. Okay, wait, let me just. Yan. So our consensus tells you or provides you all the consensus rating of the stocks. So we will categorize, it is being categorized. So we have here the PSEI stocks. So ito yung consensus. We have here yung holdings na index, property, financials, industrial, and service. So basically, you will see here yung ating price to action lang na ito yung consensus rating niya. So say we have here that LTG is a strong sell. Next, we also have here the consensus corner based on the PSE mid-cap. So sa next page, ito naman yung consensus corner ng ating mga dividend yield stocks. So if you are the type of investor na gusto yung may dividends, or gusto niyo makareceive ng dividends. So this is also one part of the platform or research na pwede ninyong i-explore. So we have here more details of your property, mining and oil services and other indices. So next, let us check on the technical analysis. So under technical analysis, quick summary lang ito siya of some technical details. So ito yung mga bullish, short-term, bearish, and the rest. So click niyo lang or explore niyo lang this research. So click on this link. Say for this one, the first report, click this one, you will be redirected to this website, which is from the Recognia. So more details lang, so you can read on that. So next, we have here the company report. So sa company report, it is company specific. So say we have here BDO. So under BDO, you will see its price to action, say it's a buy, and then yung price target niya. So next, we have here some insights from our research team. So we have here maintaining peak ROE, and then some highlights, and the rest. So rating system then, kung ano yung definition ng ating strong buy, hold, and the rest. Okay, so next, we have here the stock screen. So stock screen, if you are familiar, or if you are attending our sessions, kasi we have sessions what we call BEST, in the flows, unloved, and the yield seeker. So what are those categories sa ating stock screen? So first, we have here riding the flows. So yung riding the flows, these are stocks that are high liquidity stocks with foreign visibility and strong earnings expectations. So should this category, kumbaga, matches your preference, so you can check on this part of the research. So ito yung mga companies under riding the flows. Sa baba, you will see here naman yung kanyang peers. And then the rank. So nandito yung mga valuation, prices nila. So next, we have here unloved. So yung unloved, ito yung undervalued by the market. So kumbaga ngayon, mura pa siya. And since unloved siya, soon, tataas yung presyo niya. So these are the companies under this category. You will see here yung kanyang target price, tapos yung kanyang dividend yield, the support and resistance for easier, kumbaga, easier data if you wanna retrieve the support and resistance. Sa baba, ito yung top 10, kumbaga yung peers niya, and the other reports ng valuation. Lastly, we have the yield seeker. So ito yung mga stocks na they generate above average dividend yield. So ito naman yung companies under the yield seeker. So etong Metrobank, actually, paulit-ulit siya. So we have here TEL, AREIT, MREIT, and the RLC REIT. So you will see here yung kanyang support, resistance. Sa baba, you will see its peers and some valuation. So lastly, these are the terms they use. So should you want to check on those definitions. And then the next report we will explore is the other reports. So under other reports, basically these are reports from the companies. So if you click on this, you will be redirected to another tab. And we have here Traders Playbook. So si Traders Playbook, ito yung most viewed sa aming research kasi they have information of that company na very relevant in your investing. So we have here sample for the Traders Playbook. Yeah, we have here Emperador Inc. So, okay. So this is being published usually every Tuesday or Thursday. So Emperador, these are the insights from our research team. We also have here yung price action. So buy on pullback, what happened to the company, kung ano yung nag-contribute or any news, kung bakit ganun yung price niya. We also have here the view of our research team. And lastly, the recommendation. So we have here also the technical corner. So meaning ito na yung chart nung ating stock. Then some analysis and trading plan. And also some disclosures. So basically, that's our stock research tab of the platform. So if you are a beginner or if you want to know more about a specific stock, so this is the right area of the platform na pwede ninyong i-explore. So next, we have here company reports. So these are just collated reports of the company. So naglo-load lang siya. So if you click on any of these reports, you will be redirected to another tab. So next, we have here the all reports. So these are reports from the First MetroSec team or research team. So inisa na lang siya lahat. If ever gusto niyo yung isang view na lang. So you can sort based on all types ba ng report. So daily, technical, consensus. And if you want yung stock, lahat ng reports under that stock. So that is the research tab. Next tab, we will explore yung ating chart. So we have 3 charts. We have the dynamic. So ito yung first thing na mag-appear when you click on the chart. So basically, you will see here yung charting lang. If you hover any of these candles, so you will see its opening, high, low, closing, price, and the value trades. So you can change it if you want to retrieve a chart 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. You also have the option to change yung type of chart. So we have here yung line, we have the bar, and yung common na candlestick. So sa baba, you will see here yung kanyang buy and sell na volume. So next, we have the chart pattern recognition. So yung chart pattern recognition, ito yung automatic na charting. So let me just share this one. Yan. So if you are the type of investor na gusto na lang mag-view ng automatic chart, so this is the right place. So under chart pattern recognition, yan. So meron tayong homepage, screener, watch list, and this alert center. So sa homepage, you will see here yung parang ano na lang siya, shortcut na. So ito yung recently viewed ninyo. Ito naman yung mga most viewed na bullish charts, tapos yung most popular, and we have the trending. So if you click any of this, say, check natin yung sa most popular, yan, JFC. So you will be provided of the automatic chart na of JFC. Yan. So you also have the option to add some indicators. So simply click on this setting icon. So let me just reactivate again the spotlight. Okay, so just click on this settings icon. So you will see here price display based on ito. Gusto nyo ba yung price bar, candlestick, line, and mountain? So ito yung sa indicators. So if gusto niyo i-retrieve yung moving average, we have here 21, 50, and 200. So since, just to compare lang, so ito yung wala yung moving average. So if you click on this, yan. So should you want the data of the moving average of that stock? So inyong i-click lang ninyo. So if you hover again, any of these lines, you will be provided of the opening, high, low, and closing price. So sa baba, you will see here yung kaniyang support and resistance as well as its stop price. So next, to go back, simply click this homepage. So sa screener naman, these are your filters. So say you wanna check on ano lang, on stocks. Yan. So click niyo lang, you will be provided of the yan, mga stocks. And other details are filters as well na you wanna apply. So we also have here screener ng ating index. So kung gusto niyo mag-create ng watch list, so pwede din. So you just click on this new watch list. And then alert center. So usually mga ano na yan, notifications. Next, we also have here this learn technical analysis. So sa technical analysis, so this is like a module. So say baguhan ka pa, if you wanna get familiar of those technical terms sa mga charting, so this is the area or part of the platform. So we have here yung mga parang basic courses lang. So we have also yung ito introduction, methods of plotting. So ito yung mga types of kumbaga modules. And also to review lang, they also have quizzes. And also, you can explore this one. This is an additional tool na din na will add sa learning ninyo. So let us go back sa ating chart. Okay. So after that, so since we have the dynamic chart, we have the chart pattern recognition, which is yung automatic na charting. Next, we have the interactive chart. So yung interactive chart, if you are the type of trader na gusto ninyo na kayo mismo yung mag-plot ng chart, so just go dun sa ating interactive chart. So ito yung ating interactive chart. To search for a stock, so you just click on this part dun sa ating search tab. So, yan. So say, again, check natin, JFC ulit. Yan. So, ito yung chart ng ating JFC. So, to do some customization, ito yung tools sa side. So, if gusto ninyong mag-add ng line, so, ito, you just click on this. Yan. So, pwede nyo siya i-move, drag nilang, and then this one. Tapos, if you wanna add some label, so click lang on this settings. So, ito yung, if you wanna change the style, yung color, say, gusto niyo gawin siyang red. Yan, so red na siya. Usually, ang red, ito yung ating, kumbaga, usually resistance ito. So, click again on the settings. So you will see here coordinates. So ito yung price. Say kung meron kayong stop limit or yung ating target price, yan, pwede nyo i-change dito. So the visibility, and depende na sa inyo. Okay. So then you also have here, yan, other mga customization na din. You have the option then to save that chart. Okay. So we are done with the chart part of our platform. So once you have the data na, and then once you did na the charting, the next thing you will do is to trade na. So this is the part of the platform kung saan kayo magti-trade. Yan. So ito na, we have here our trade tab. So simple lang siya. If you wanna buy or sell a specific stock, input nilang yung stock code. So say you wanna, yan, ito AP. So again, if bibili kayo ng stock, dito kayo titingin sa ask side. If magbebenta kayo, dito kayo sa bid volume. Kasi that tells you kung ano yung mga best price of those stocks. So check lang natin of the top 5. So again, easy lang siya. Input nilang the stock code. So next, the volume. So ito yung number of shares you wanna buy or sell. If you click on this drop-down icon, so you will be provided of the board, automatic board lot na siya. So, yan, medyo naglo-load lang siya. So AP usually, I think it is being traded in increments of 10 or check natin ulit yung JFC. Ayan. So, ito yung board lot ng ating JFC. So, pwede nyo i-click nyo lang agad para hindi na kayo mag-type. So, next you will input is the price. So, another shortcut. So, we have here, yan. Kung bibili kayo, titingin kayo dito sa ask side. Say, gusto nyo bumili ng Jollibee at the price of 268 kasi ito yung best price. So, you just click on the ask volume. So, automatic na siya. If ever naman magbebenta kayo, so gusto niyo siya ibenta at this price, click nilang yung bid volume. And automatic na din yung 267.80 na price. So we have here the expiry. So meron tayong tatlo. We have the day, which is within the day yan siya ma-expire, yung inyong order. We have the good till week, so 1 week siya. You will be prompted na of the expiration date. Naglo-load lang siya. Yan. So, ito yung expiration date ng ating good till week. So, good till month, automatic na din mag-prompt yung expiration date. So, we have market. So, sa market, meron tayong actually dalawa, normal and odd lot. Odd lot kasi is only active during the trading hours, so hindi natin siya ma-view. Pero yung odd lot, if ever magbebenta kayo ng stocks na butal, say JFC, since tradable siya in increments of 10, siguro, kunwari, magbebenta kayo ng JFC na meron kayong total number of shares na 110. So the 100, you will do it under market order. Yung 10, you will do it under odd lot order naman. Okay, next, we have here the type of order. So we have here 3, limit, stop, and lit. I will show you a quick explanation of this later. And then if you are okay now with the order, so say ito, if you are going to sell JFC, this is the price. If you hover your mouse dito sa value, you will see the charges breakdown. So including na dito yung gross, commission, and the fees, and your net amount. So if okay na sa inyo yung order transaction, you just click on the buy and sell, and you will be asked to input your password. So since close ang market, hindi lang siya yan. So input your password and click on confirm. So once you've made a order na, to view your orders, punta lang kayo dito sa view orders. So you have the option to filter your orders based on ito. So if you want to check on your open, match, canceled, or rejected, if you want to check on your stock, say you've made multiple transactions or trade of that stock, pwede nyo siya i-filter dito. Both sides, some buy and sell transactions. So conditional orders, you will be able to see here. So if you made some conditional order, you will see instructions na pending, triggered, canceled, and rejected. So again, pwede rin po yung stocks and both sides. So sa view history, you will see here orders and ledgers. So sa orders, you will see maximum 45 days yung mga orders ninyo or the last 45 days. Next, the ledger. Sa ledger, this is your kumbaga statement of account in Excel form kasi you will be able to see here all the transactions. Say nag-fund kayo, and then if nagbenta kayo or may na credit sa inyo na dividends, you will be able to see it under this tab sa ledger. So again, just to show you the explanation of our conditional orders, let me just change my screen. Okay. Yan. So these are your Okay, so these are your conditional orders. So there are three things we need to remember sa ating conditional orders. So when you place a conditional order, we have here the trigger price. So the trigger price, ito yung price that must be reached by the stock before ma-post yung inyong order. So ito yung red sa ating sample here. So limit price, it is the price at which you want your order to be filled or better. So ito yung green. Expiry, this is the length of time you are willing to wait for the stock to hit your trigger price. So sa expiry, we have the day, good till week, and good till month. So say, yan. So one sample is the buy on breakout. So say if you wanna, ito yung order using the stop limit. So a sample lang. So let's assume that you have or you wanna buy a stock of XYZ when it finally breaks above the 52.75 resistance, which is shown dito sa ating sample. So pwede kayong mag-instruct sa system to post a buy order once the price go up to 55, which is considered your trigger price. So to ensure that your order will be filled, you may buy up to 56, which is considered to be our limit price. So to input that sa ating order, so sa ating type, we have the stop and then volume. So say, gusto nyo mag-buy ng 10,000 stocks of XYZ. So yung limit price, so we have here 56 and then trigger price is 55. And then the expiry and yung kanyang market, which is normal. So ganun lang mag-input. Ito siya if you wanna buy a stock before it reaches yung kanyang limit price na 56. Okay, so next we have here cut loss naman using the stop limit order. So suppose nakabili na kayo nung XYZ na stocks tapos gusto niyo siyang ibenta. So here, you can instruct the system to post a sell order once the price goes below the support, which is yung support natin is 52.75. So pwede kayong mag-instruct sa system to sell that stock if the price go down to 51.75, which is considered our trigger price. So meaning matrigger yung order ninyo if yung price ng stock na yun umabot na ng 51.75. So to input that one, again, the type of order, we have stop, number of volume, yung 10,000, yung limit price na 51.50, trigger price na 51.75, was expiry and normal, and yun yung value. So next order we have is buying the dip using the limit if touch. So for example, you are waiting to buy again stock of XYZ, which is currently trading siya sa 52.75. So once the price falls sa price na sa tingin mo is a good price or yung kanyang support level, tapos, if you want the if you want to purchase that price, that stock before the price rallies again. So pwede kayong mag-instruct sa system na mag-post ng buy order once the price go down to 51.50. So yung 51.50, yun yung trigger price. Tapos, to improve lang the chance na yung order ninyo will be fully filled, you may buy up to 51.75, which is yung limit price. So to input, yung type of order, lit, and then the number of volume, so we have 10,000. So yung limit price, 51.75. And then your trigger price is 51.50. Tapos expiry and the normal. So if matrigger na yung price na 51.50, ma-post na yung order ninyo, and then you will be able to na that stock. You will be able to buy that stock. Okay, so yun yung ating sample of the conditional orders. So these are the common conditional orders. Okay, so let us go back sa ating website. Okay, so if you've made some buy transactions now, so the next thing you will do is to check your portfolio. So sa portfolio, you will be able to see here your portfolio sa stocks, sa funds, and sa bonds, if ever meron kayong funds and bonds holdings. So medyo naglo-load lang siya. Pero if you have holdings na, so you will see here sa action, yung tapos stock, yung last price average cost, tapos yung number of shares ninyo, and then if ever meron kayong posting, market value as well. So sa baba, you will see here a summary of your stocks and funds. So let me just refresh on this so that we'll have a better view. Let me just log in again. Okay. Yan. So I think mahina siguro yung internet connection ko. Pero yes, if you have those holdings na, you will see here summary ng stocks, funds, bonds, tapos yung remaining cash ninyo. So if ever naman meron kayong funds, you will see here yung portfolio ng inyong funds and then the bonds. And then ito yung some customization lang. So ito yung parang representation niya. And then if you want to update, so you just click on this update. Let's try one more time. Yeah. Okay. I just want to show you kung ano yung itsura ng ating portfolio. Yan, okay. So, I think, yeah, mahina lang yung internet connection. Pero that is the portfolio tab of your First Metro Sec My platform. So lastly, we have the news. So basically, ito lang yung news from the PSE and from the First Metro Sec Research, which is ito siya is direct from the Twitter page of the First Metro Sec. So kanina, I told you kung paano i-execute yung ating quick trade. So again, yan. Balik lang tayo sa quotes. And yan. Let's check on JFC. So to execute your quick trade, instead of going sa ating trade tab, you can simply input it here sa ating, yun, sa right side ng ating platform. So let me just, yeah, okay. So just select on the type of order. So we have here limit, stop, and lit. Input the stock, say JFC, and the number of volume. So you just click on the drop down, say 100. And then the price, if you click this one, you will be provided of the top 5 and top 10. So say, yan. Ito yung best price ni JFC, 268. So the expiry, good day, good till week, good till month. And then we have here yung value, yung kanyang charges breakdown, and then you just click on buy, input your password, and confirm your order. So say if you are exploring that specific stock in any of the tabs, tapos you've decided to buy, so you can go here directly sa quick trade lang. And yes, that ends my presentation of our stocks. Let me just also introduce to you the funds, because aside from stocks, you also have access to your funds. So sa First Metro Securities, we are not just we do not just focus on stocks. So meron din kaming 132 list of funds which you can access dito sa part ng website. So we have here funds from the different providers. So ito naman yung kanyang tab. So we have here home tab ng ating FundSmart. The next tab, we have here the FundSmart where you will be able to see yung description, performance, and fee structure ng fund. So you can sort this one, say you wanna retrieve lang data nung type of fund. So we have here mutual fund, UITF. We also have here the different asset types, balance, bond, equity, and money market. We have here currency, peso, US dollar, and soon we have the euro na din. So the ratings, 1 to 5, ito yung inyong investor profile. So usually 5, ito yung aggressive natin na profile. And providers. So we have this providers. So we have here our partner, FAMI. Tapos meron ding Atram, BPI, Asset, and BPI Investment. So say you wanna check on funds under FAMI. So you just filter this one. Ito na yung funds under FAMI. So we have here fund type, yung kanyang strategy, the risk, fund size, and start date. So click on the columns to sort lang if you wanna check on the highest rating. na fund. So we have here First Metro Consumer Fund. So sa performance, see their compare their price based on year performance, 1 year performance, in the last 3 years or 5 years. We also have here yung fee structure. And then they also have here the research. So if ever you wanna check lang on a specific fund, so say you wanna do some research about money market fund. Yan. So you will be provided of the overview and the asset type, yung performance niya, yung fee information. Tapos we have here yung chart na din. You will also see here yung top holdings and yung fund allocation. Tapos if gusto na ninyo mag-subscribe into that fund, you have here shortcut sa ating right side, which is subscribe. So you just click on this and you will be redirected na to the invest tab. So siguro nag-loading lang siya. So to do this, yan. So input niyo lang yung fund code. So say, ito yun siya. So input lang the amount and investable funds and click on subscribe. Yan. Since demo lang ito siya, so after you click on subscribe, you will be asked to input your password. So view your instructions, view the history, and then after that, your portfolio sa funds na din, which is same lang siya dun sa ating stock tab. So to go back lang sa stocks, you just click on this. You just click on the stock tab and then yan. Ito na yung home tab natin. So that ends my presentation sa ating First MetroSec First MetroSec My Platform. So before we proceed, let me just share some insights. Okay, let me share my slide again. Okay. Yan. Okay, so that wraps up na our demo of the First MetroSec My Platform. So I hope you found some value on it in exploring the features. So including na yung ating account setup, yung security measures, tapos yung ating real-time data research. Also yung how to do the trades and also how to check your portfolio in just a few clicks. So before we dive sa ating live Q&A, so if you have some questions, you can just type na actually sa ating Q&A box. And then I have here shown the outline kung paano mag-open ng account sa First Metro Securities. So you can open via the website or you can simply open by scanning the QR code flash on your screen. So scan nyo lang siya, you will be redirected na sa ating Google or App Store. So once you've downloaded, you click the sign up now, you accomplish the forms, you upload the required documents. So to those na wala pang account sa First Metro Securities, you can open an account using sa application. Input nyo lang yung seminar code na May 2024. So just to outline lang, ito yung ating requirement. So we have the initial funding of 1,000. If you saw sa mga other advertisements na 5,000 pa, actually it's 1,000. However, it's not yet fully integrated pa. So ito yung ating requirements. So prepare lang po kayo one valid ID and also 3 signatures on a piece of white paper. Tapos proof of address and then proof of bank account. So if ever na nag-start na kayo and you have questions na on how to open an account with us, you can simply email accountopening@firstmetrosec.com.ph. Yan. So stay connected with First Metro Securities since we are all across social media. So find us on social media by searching for our official handle at First Metro Sec and become a part of our growing community. You can also explore our website by visiting www.firstmetrosec.com.ph for more information. And for any customer or account-related inquiries, feel free to reach out to us via email at customerservice@firstmetrosec.com.ph. And also, you can invite us for a free webinar. So simply email us at marketeducation@firstmetrosec.com.ph. So we have a dedicated team who is willing to conduct some webinars for you, say, if you are a company, then you want to offer some retirement sa mga employees ninyo, retirement program, so you can invite us. So we will be sending some proposals. So yan, lastly, please take a moment to share your thoughts and suggestions by completing our feedback form. So we really encourage you to fill out this one kasi this is one way for us to know kung ano yung mga suggestions ninyo sa platform. Say, gusto niyo ba may additional feature? Or if ever you have been using all of our platforms, you can share your comments, how you love the platform, and other feedbacks as well. So, yan. So, it's our Q&A time. Actually, before we started, I'm seeing na actually some questions. Okay, so let us start checking. So, we have here a question from Sir Sherwin Ramos. So, magka-apelyido pa tayo, sir. So, is your platform capable of giving portfolio performance report? I want to see my portfolio performance versus the PSEI. So actually for this, sir, it is not available, pero I think this is a good suggestion na din. So we will take note of this and we will consider this one. So soon sana, maganda siya na suggestion kasi it's, kumbaga, comparing your portfolio versus PSEI. Okay din ito siya. Okay. So next, do I need to have a Metro Bank account in order to be able to have an account with First Metro Securities? So actually, any account sa any of the bank. So aside from Metro Bank, pwede kayo mag-open ng account with us. So kahit na other banks pa yan siya, yung mga friendly competitors, pwede po. So, hi, is this tutorial available for watching later? Okay, sige po. So for this one, we upload this one sa aming official YouTube channel. So you can check on this. Usually ipopost namin siya, or you can email customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph. Should be want lang na parang notification if uploaded na siya. Pero actually mabilis na naman siya ma-upload. So the next question is same. Okay. So next, pwede bang palitan yung white background to black background yung window ng platform? Actually, let me try. For this one, it's default po sa ating blue and white na platform. Pero if ever naman you were able to explore the Pro, so yung Pro natin, meron siyang yung customization. So you can change it to, meron siyang white, gray, and black na parang color of your platform. Depende na kung yung preference ninyo. So does your platform have a feature similar to Call's EIP? Let me check on this, sir. Pero let me check on this lang po. I'm not familiar with EIP. Pero if ever, after we check on this, siguro we will put it also, including na sa aming mga suggestions. So next question, why is that the interactive chart is not always available po? Actually for this, meron kasing mga system maintenance. So after ng system maintenance, since merong mga bagong patches, all you need to do is to clear your browsing. So clear cache lang po kayo. And then log in, log out. Another troubleshooting is you try another browser. If ever naman that didn't work, just email customer service po for further assistance. So what companies to invest as a beginner? Is FM ETF okay for starter? Yeah, actually as FM ETF is okay din po. So let me just suggest, we have also webinars about FundSmart. So you can attend that one. We post it sa aming calendar of events. So these events will help you maximize your knowledge when it comes to FundSmart. Aside from that, we also have events like BEST. Ito yung basic education on stock trading. Free lang ito na webinar. So, pinopost namin siya. You can easily register on that link. So, I have RTB bonds in bonds.ph. Can I transfer them sa FMS account? How? For this, you can simply email customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph and then we will provide you the guidelines po, Ma'am Teresa. So, wow, we have a lot of questions. So actually, let me just choose na lang questions, no? We have naman a copy of your questions. Babalikan namin kayo, or to those unanswered question, you can simply email customer service na lang din po. Okay, so let me choose some questions. Okay. Yan. How good is the security of the platform? Have you encountered any breaches in its security? For the security po, actually, isa yun sa mga value na we really put high value in your security. So, kumbaga, walang ibang maka-access ng account ninyo kasi you are the only person lang to know your password and your credentials. And then aside from that, if ever naman na you think na may naghahack ng inyong account, so you can always, or you have the option to update your password na din. Okay, so how much ang minimum investment para mag-pro account? So for the pro account, you need to have or maintain a portfolio of 200,000. Ano yan siya? Ito yung monthly. Tapos, stocks and funds na yun siya. And aside from the 200,000 pesos, if ever na meron kayong trading na up to mag-buy and sell transactions, that is up to 100,000 pesos. So you are eligible na po you are eligible for the pro na po. Okay, so next we have here. Yeah. So we have a question from Ma'am Rose. Trading view chart po ba ito? This is interactive chart. Yeah, trading view po. So we have here. I think all of the other questions are similar. And we also have another suggestion here po. So can you improve the chart area? Okay. So for Ma'am Jacqueline's suggestion, we will put this into consideration po. There are times lang po talaga na hindi siya naglo-load. So you can always do the clear cache. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's all of the questions we have. So that's a lot of questions actually. Medyo similar lang din siya. Ito, pahabol na din. About sa Pro, are all the features of My First also available in Pro? Actually po, yung My, parang ano lang siya, basic. If you are an active trader or an advanced trader, the First MetroSec Pro is perfect for you. Kasi nandun na yung additional data of the fundamentals and the technicals of a specific company. Okay. If ever naman na you think you are eligible of the First MetroSec Pro, so you can email customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph. So what we do is we review your account, and then if you are eligible sa Pro, so we will include it na sa aming activation. Okay. Yan, ito pahabol sayang din. Where do we edit the bank details for withdrawals? So for the withdrawals, actually it is not yet available pa po. Editing of the settlement bank account. Hindi pa siya available sa ating platform. You must email customer service if should you wish to update your settlement bank account. Okay, so I guess that's it. I'm not gonna hold you for too long po. So thank you so much for all of the questions. And thank you so much for spending your evening with us. So thank you for joining me and Andre. And we look forward to na sana on our next webinar, which is actually on the 21st. It's about FundSmart. So don't forget to sign up for that event. Okay, because aside from investing in stocks, it is also important to invest in knowledge. Kasi sa First Metro Securities, we prioritize your future first. So everyone, thank you so much for your time. So for all of your questions, unanswered questions, so pwede po kayong mag-email sa customer service at First Metro Securities. And also, yan, sa mga hindi pa umaalis. So I encourage you to answer this feedback form. Okay. Yan. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you learned a lot on this session. Thank you so much. Yeah, medyo madami ang nag-stay. Thank you. Have a good evening, everyone.